CORAZÓN. Welcome to Goran Guitar KHEA here with Sin CORAZÓN. Alright, so I'm gonna give you this song here. I'm not Spanish speaking or so, but anyway, I can play some guitar, so let's do this together. No need for any capo on this one, and let's go over the chords. Let's start with the B minor, and that is a bar chord. You place the bar here on the second fret. You bar all strings here except from the last E, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the A next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. That's the D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We also have this F sharp. And that is a bar chord. You place the bar again on the 2nd fret, this time over all strings. And then the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And yeah, I believe we pretty much got all the chords we need for this song. Yes, we have. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern first. So before we go into different parts and so, let's learn the strumming. And we'll do that with the B minor since that is the first chord. So grab the B minor, and one strumming round will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds to get to the idea of how it sounds together, the rhythm and all. It goes like this. So let's take a look at the verse play. We'll pretty much play in the same way with the verse. The ending is just a little bit different, but everything else up to that point is the same. So we will play the B minor for 2 rounds, then A for 4, then D2, G2, and then E minor 3, and to this point it's the same when it comes to verse play. Now we have 2 different endings. The first ending is with the F sharp 1 round, and then you end with the B minor with 1 down plus a pause. So that is the first ending. F sharp, 1 strumming around, and then B minor, 1 pause. The second ending is, of course, till that point it's played in the same way. E minor 3 is the final chord before the second ending. And then with the second ending, you're gonna play B minor, 2 downs, but you have a pause in between. And then you have a pause after the second down on B minor, and you play 1 down on the F sharp with a pause, and that pause leads up to the chorus. All right, so that was 2 different endings. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the verses right after each other, and then we have the chorus play. Now the chorus play continues in the same way when it comes to the strumming. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing, so let's go with B minor 2, E minor 2, A2, minor 2, E minor 2, A2. All right, so to this point we have the course, in the middle of it, pretty much. And then we have 2 rounds of the following chords: E minor 1, B minor 1, F sharp 1, and B minor 1. So it goes pretty fast now, just 1 string around. 2 rounds of that portion there. So E minor, B minor, F sharp, and B minor. Again, E minor, B minor, F sharp, and B minor. That is the chorus. To summarize the chorus part now, it was B minor 2, E minor 2, A2, D2, then again B minor 2, E minor 2, A2, and then comes this part: E minor 1, B minor 1, F sharp 1, and B minor 1. You play that part with all the ones for 2 rounds, and that is the chorus. All right, after this first chorus comes a post-chorus part. Now the rhythm completely changes, okay? So we will have a new strumming pattern. The first chord here will be E minor, so it will be a strumming pattern that goes down clap only, okay? So that is 1 round: E minor, B minor, F sharp to B minor. So the rhythm is down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. It's down clap for all these chords: E minor, B minor, F sharp, and B minor, but the rhythm is a little different. It's down, clap, down, clap. All right, so that's 2 chords: E minor, B minor, F sharp, B minor, right? So that is 1 chord progression: E minor, B minor, F sharp, and B minor. You're gonna play that for 8 rounds. This post-chorus part starts about 1 minute and 34 seconds into the song. So 8 rounds of that, and after these 8 rounds, you're gonna fulfill this song with a second chorus played in the same way as you play the first chorus, and that pretty much wraps it up for KHEA's Sin Corazón. All right, guys. So yeah, a little bit tricky there with the rhythm going on and the complete changes and then back again, but the chords are pretty easy, I guess. So yeah, feel free to have this challenge, and I hope you will come back here to Gordon Guitar. If it was helpful, this one, please let me know, thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, play tuned.